Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the OnePlus band from OnePlus. This is the black variant. This is a fitness band from OnePlus. There is an image of what this particular fitness band is going to look like. I will obviously open it and show this to you, but before that, let's take a look at some of the features of this particular fitness band. This particular band comes with SpO2 measuring monitors. It also has a 24/7 heart rate tracker, sleep tracker, and also 13 exercise modes. It has a 1.1-inch AMOLED display along with IP68 water resistance. That's more or less on the information on this particular box. Let's open it and show you what's inside. And these are the components of the box. First up, we have some documents. This is the user guide for the OnePlus band. Everything that you want to know is there in this document. This is a safety and warranty information document from OnePlus. And this is basically a redeem coupon from Red Cable Club. This is the charging dock for this particular fitness band. The idea is that you take out the fitness tracker from here and put it over here to charge it. I will show you how it's done. And there's a USB-A connector on one end. So this is the OnePlus band in question. I will remove this particular sticker over here. You'll notice this is the 1.1-inch AMOLED display. It has a matte finish, in fact not just matte black. It has a grey and black color scheme. I don't know if you can see this, it has a grey and black color scheme. These are the silicone straps in question. These are very flexible and durable silicone straps. The entire body is actually silicone except the tracking unit, which is this one. It's very easy to remove the tracking unit. Just push it from the top and it comes out. Now, in order to charge this tracking unit, you have to put it on the charging dock over here, like so. I will attach it. There you go. It's attached now, and to charge it, you just have to plug it into a laptop or a PC or even a USB or even a USB-A adapter if you have one lying around. Right now, I have a laptop with me, so I'm going to plug it into the laptop and show you what it looks like. There you go, you can see it now. This is the display. This is the 1.1-inch AMOLED display. It has zero charge right now, which is why it's not showing its display properly. This is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the OnePlus band, the black variant. Thank you for watching.